back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to have a revision question in nomenclature of organic compound. And our main focus here, I'll take questions on JAMB Chemistry. So if you're a JAMB Chemistry student and you really want to know nomenclature of the organic compound, then this video is for you. Or if you just want to learn nomenclature of the organic compound, this video is for you. Now before we jump into the video here, congratulations to us. We just hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel. Applause. I'm really happy for the growth of the channel. Thanks very much for those of you who are watching, commenting, liking, and sharing videos on the channel. It's really going a long way towards. It has really gone a long way to grow the channel, and I really want to appreciate you on that. If you are not subscribed to the channel, or if you are new here and you want to subscribe, please always subscribe. Then leave a like. Please always give every video a like. Don't just watch and leave. Always give video a like, because when you like, comment, and share the video, these are the YouTube algorithm start promoting this video and start reaching other persons. This is the way we grow. Do you get that? So please don't just watch video and just go like that. Always like and comment, because this is how we grow. You understand? You are the main MP of the channel. So let's get into the video. So let's look at what the first revision question in this video here. Let's say that the IUPAC name for this compound is. So we are being given different options here. So now I've done a complete video on the nomenclature of the alkane, where I explain step by step, step 1 towards step 6 on complete nomenclature of the alkanes. Now, because when you look at this one here we have this structure here. This structure only have single bond. Do that only have a single bond. So the compound here, the formula of this compound is called the alkanes. Alkanes. Do that. And the first 10 members of the alkane are what? The methane, the ethane, the propane, the butane, the pentane, the hexane, the heptane, the octane, the nonane, and what? Decane. So that is what the first thing you want to hear. Not the first 10 members of the alkane. Whenever I see a carbon, whenever I see one carbon atom is what is methane. Whenever I see two carbon atoms is what is ethane. Whenever I see three carbon atoms is what is propane. Whenever I see 4 carbon atoms is what is butane. Whenever I see 6 carbon atoms is what? Hexane. Whenever I see 10 carbon atoms is what? Is decane. Do you get that? So I will advise you here, if you don't really have a solid foundation on the nomenclature of the organic compound, because I don't want to go into those rigorous rules again, I will leave the link at the description below. Do that. I will leave a complete video, like a complete playlist on the nomenclature of the alkane that contain all the functional. What you want to do here is to take your time, watch each of this video, and the videos are worked for free. Do that. So I'm going to place one here so that we name this compound and see the one that is correct. So when you ask it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So when it's something like this, the first one to do is what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain. Now, what do I mean by longest continuous carbon chain? Now, the chain that contains the highest mass of carbon atom. Now, so persons, the mistake they will do here, they'll start from here 1, 2, 3. Do that. So you want to start from end to end. So look at this carbon atom here. So this carbon atom is continuous. The main reason why it's continuous is because one carbon atom here is here. It links to this carbon atom. This carbon atom leads to this carbon atom, and this carbon leads to this carbon atom. You do that. The same thing here. This carbon atom leads to this carbon atom. This one leads to this one. This one will lead to this one here. So must now your first job here your first job is to what? Locate the highest mass of carbon atom, the chain that contains highest mass of carbon atom. And if you come from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I there. So from here to here and from here to here, that are the same thing. So if I start from here to here now, how many carbon atoms do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. I there 4. So because they are all single bond, because there's no double bond here, they are all single bond. The fourth members of the alkane is called butane. It's called what? Butane. Right there, it's called butane. Now, remember I took from here to here from here to here is what is my chain, my parent chain. Do that. Because I took from here to here, I did not include this one in the chain. I did not say 1, 2, 3, 4. They now come here and say 5. No. As long as I took from here to here, this guy is not counted among what chain. This guy now becomes a substituent. I get this guy becomes a substituent. Substituent means what a side chain or a side atom that do not include or that is not counted among what the parent chain. I get. And we have what we call the alkyl group. We have what we call alkyl group. So now the name of this one is called the methyl. The methyl. So the first two things we want to do here is what take the longest continuous carbon chain. After you take the longest continuous carbon chain, identify what the substituents right there. So those substituents that are attached to the parent what chain. My parent chain is what butane. My substituent is what is methyl because it's having only what one carbon atom. Do you get that? The next you want to do here is what make sure that this carbon atom carrying the substituents at the lowest possible what number. What do I mean? Remember, here can be my carbon 1 or here can be my carbon 1, right? If here is my carbon 1, if I should start from here 1, 2, 3. Now the third carbon atom is what is carrying what the methyl group. When I start from here, do that. So 1, 2, 3. The third carbon atom is what is carrying what the methyl group. Do that. So the position of the methyl group is what 3 methyl butane. This is when I start from here. Do that. But when I start from here we have 1, 2. Carbon number 2 is the one that is what carry what a methyl group. Do that. So let it be 2 what methyl. 2 methyl what butane. The good thing here about JAMB Chemistry is that you will provide all these two options. So you see that we have 3 methyl butane, we have what 2 methyl butane. So these two are what the possible options. Do you get that? Now, which is now the correct name? Now there's a rule that says that the carbon atom carrying the substituent must have the lowest possible number. In nomenclature, the carbon atom carrying the substituent must have the lowest possible number. Here I have position 3, here I have position 2. Now because position 2 has the lowest possible number, this is what the correct, this is what is the wrong one. Do you understand? So I will advise to check my complete nomenclature video on what nomenclature of what organic compound from the alkane here. You get to understand more. So from the first question here, this is the right answer here. Look at that. This is what is the right answer. Hope you understand. If you understand, please drop on the comment section. I really want to hear from you. You get. So let me